Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. सब बढ़िया है, सब मज़े में है ना? Welcome to my one more blog in Khatti Place. Welcome to my channel again. So guys, today I want to talk about a recent incident that has happened right in our cricketing fraternity. So all of you must have heard the news, right? Our New Zealand team has called off the tour, right? The cricket tour or the series they are supposed to play in Pakistan. They have called it off. Okay, so sorry for being little funny here, but अभी ये सोच के थोड़ा हंसी मर भी आ रहा है कि इनके देश में लोग तो टूर कैंसिल कर रहे हैं और ये कुछ टाइम पहले दे आर प्लानिंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज आज़ाद कश्मीर प्रीमियर लीग. बहुत बढ़िया, ऑल द बेस्ट. Okay, so but on a serious note, I think definitely it's a loss for the cricket, and it's a it's not really good for sorry for adjusting the camera. Yeah, it's a loss for the cricket. It's not for the cricket fraternity or the cricket world, and we want, honestly speaking, I really want Pakistan to do well in cricket because see, if you remember 90s का अगर याद होगा तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान के मैचेस कितने मस्त होते थे. मतलब आई रिमेंबर माई चाइल्डहुड व्हेन देयर इज इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच, वी ऑल यूज्ड टू गो क्रेजी. इंडिया पाकिस्तान बोले था बाहर निकल के आओ तो कोई भी नहीं मिलता था. इट वाज लाइक as if there is a curfew or something. We are really missing those days, and that is primarily because the level of cricket or the quality of cricket has gone down really. Right now अगर आप देखो तो 3-4 कंट्री ही they are playing well or they are maintaining that level of cricket. One is definitely India, Australia, England, New Zealand. I think these 4. ये 4 को छोड़ के और कौन है? पाकिस्तान, their level have gone down. Sri Lanka, their level has gone down. West Indies only concentrating on T20 cricket. Sri Lanka also, I have said Sri Lanka. Then Bangladesh never took off. बांग्लादेश को टेस्ट स्टेटस मिले हुए शायद 10-15 साल हो गया, एंड और मोर देन दैट मे बी, एंड दे स्टिल कंसिडर्ड एज मिनोस. एनीवेज, सो नाउ कमिंग टू दैट टूर, राइट? इट इज़ वेरी सैड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ऑन a serious note, it's sad that the tour got cancelled. But the thing is, which I am not liking right now, is how the Pakistan media is reacting to it. Okay, so I think we need to discuss that, how the Pakistan media is reacting. मतलब कुछ भी है तो इंडिया ही कर रहा है तुम्हारे लिए, मतलब तुम्हारे देश में कुछ भी हो तो इंडिया ही कर रहा है. मतलब hats off to your common sense, hats off to your what do you want to call it, I have no words for it. Okay, मतलब I was watching some clip in YouTube where our Mr. Owen Shoaib Akhtar is one of the biggest I think one of the biggest YouTubers of Pakistan, and उसमें भी सबसे ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइबर इंडिया से ही होंगे. Okay, but anyways, he is sitting in a channel and saying that the world cricket is getting polarized because BCCI is the most richest board in the world. They are influencing this decision. Really, why would BCCI go and influence New Zealand to called off that tour here? Why? I mean, what interest BCCI India has? Come on, we cannot stoop down to that level here. I mean, have some common sense here. Come on, हाँ? मतलब तुम्हारे देश में कुछ भी हो रहा है तो इंडिया ही कर रहा है, हाँ? Nonsense. So see, and they are like they are putting allegations on England players. When England also backed out, right? They are putting allegations on England players that they are ready to come to IPL to play cricket, but they cannot come to Pakistan. But you have to understand the situation of your country, right? You have to understand what kind of statements your Prime Minister is giving these days, especially what is happening in the neighborhood. Okay, So India is a different country. Please don't try to compare yourself with India. Okay, and then don't always be under the impression that whatever is happening in your country, India is doing it, whether it is cricket or any other political matter. Okay, so New Zealand backed out, Australia backed out, Australia may backed out in I think they are supposed to tour in December. Again, that is also under question mark. England backed out, and I think the biggest shameful thing that has happened for them is, had New Zealand called that tour off even before touring or even before reaching Pakistan, that would have been a different story. They have reached, they stayed in Pakistan for a few more days. I think so, a couple of weeks they stayed, and after that, sorry, just give me a moment. Yeah. And after that, just before couple of hours before the first one day, I guess, they called it off. And the reason they gave is security threat. Now I heard Ramiz Raja साहब अभी इनके नए चेयरमैन ऑफ पीसीबी. See, उनका जो पहला प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस था, it was good. He talked really good about the development of Pakistan cricket, how he wants to spend money and at the root level, at the club level, at the school level, which is really good. He is thinking, how we can build a corporation around PCB, make it more financially viable, monetize all those channels, how they can get more money so that they can benefit their players, which is really good. We really want, as Indians, as Indian cricket fans, we really want Pakistan to do well in cricket, so that तभी तो मज़ा आएगा ना आप लोगों को हराने में, वरना ऐसा टीम को हराने में कोई मज़ा नहीं है ना. तो they are talking like, Ramiz Raja is talking, it's like a conspiracy against us. They have a Western bloc, New Zealand, Australia, England, they all belongs to the same category, same bloc, and that is being influenced, though he didn't directly say anything, and but it was, we know who is influencing, who is at the back of all these things. Come on, yaar, matlab, why would India has anything to do with this? Okay, we have our game, we have our IPL, we have our own matters to take care. Okay, we have no interest in your stuff. So please, take this thing out of your mind that India ने कुछ किया है. That is purely because it's a purely a decision of New Zealand and England cricket board. They didn't wanted to play because they had a security threat. It is as simple as it can get. Now Ramiz Raja is asking, New Zealand didn't share with us what is the security threat. They don't have to. You have to understand the fact that they don't have to. Okay, it is their choice. You cannot force them that why didn't you share with us and left. Okay, it is, see, if they wanted to cheat you, if they wanted to if they didn't had the intention of coming and playing cricket, they would not have come at all. They came, they stayed in Pakistan for 2 weeks. Okay, they were doing net practices and all that stuff, all those sessions there, it was happening. But why would somebody call off just 2 hours before? You have to understand that there was a genuine threat. There should have been a genuine threat. Now, let me try to give you a little bit of background how this entire network works, right? So जैसे टीम्स अपने पास, कंट्रीज रादर, जैसे कंट्रीज हैं अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, Canada, then England. These are the 5. They have a security agency called Five Eyes. So why they call Five Eyes? They have also motto that this agency literally knows even a common person. If I'm sitting here today and making this video, probably they know. Okay, they have that kind of a strong network. Okay, so they have this common network agency. Okay, now the threat they got, the New Zealand team, and again, if that agency gets that threat, it gets circulated to all these 5 nations. Okay, that alert goes to all these 5 nations. It's not only New Zealand or England. It goes to US, it goes to Canada, it goes to England, Australia, and New Zealand. These 5 nations. Okay, so the threat they got is when New Zealand team starts from the hotel to or when they start coming from hotel to the ground for the match, there is a threat that there would be an attack on their buses. Now tell me, अब ये जानने के बाद which is coming from this agency, who would take the risk here? Okay, I'm saying it might be a hoax, it might be a fake threat, but nobody would like to, I mean, you cannot risk your life to play cricket. I understand, you guys are Pakistan team, Pakistan government has done a lot to revive cricket in Pakistan, but why would other teams will risk it? I mean, that's the reputation you carry in the international market or in the international arena, right? So hard luck. Why I'm making this video is I just wanted to tell one thing. Please don't blame India for everything. Okay, what is happening in your country? India has its own things to take care. We have our own things. Okay, we have nothing to do. We don't want to play with you. Okay, we have enough revenue. I heard some of them saying that India only plays Pakistan in ICC events because they want revenue. Come on यार, मतलब हमारा एक फ्रेंचाइजी का जितना IPL में एक फ्रेंचाइजी का जितना बजट है ना, मतलब दैट कवर्स द एंटायर बजट ऑफ योर PSL. ना ये भी मैंने बहुत उनके मीडिया में देखा है, IPL वर्सेस PSL, हु इज़ बेटर एंड ऑल. इज देयर ए डिबेट? मतलब ये कंपैरिजन का भी बात है क्या? हाँ, मतलब IPL वर्सेस PSL. लुक एट, मैंने तुम्हारे PSL में आके people who have retired 5 years back, 6 years back, they are coming and playing here. Sangakkara, who is doing commentary in IPL, he's playing in PSL. So you can understand, you can imagine the difference. Okay, so anyways, again let me repeat myself. We really, as an Indian cricket fan, we really want, or as genuine cricket fans, we really want Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, all these subcontinents team to do well. Okay, but don't blame India. Just because India is the most powerful cricket board, that doesn't mean that we don't want you guys to grow. Okay, we are ready to help you. Okay, we cannot allow your players to come and play IPL, but we want you to make your cricket stronger so that the world cricket can become strong. But don't blame India that आप लोग हमारे countries हमारे tour off कर रहे हैं तो इंडिया में आते. India is there is a propaganda which India is doing it and all that stuff. So please don't do that, and look at yourself, what has gone wrong, okay, in political scenario, in your cricketing scenario. देखो यार, आपके प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स क्या कर रहे हैं, आपके प्राइम मिनिस्टर क्या कर रहे हैं, what statements is giving, after what happened in your neighborhood. I don't want to take the name, what happened in your neighborhood, right? So देखो, these are the things which drives these decisions. And I'm sure somebody within your country doesn't want all these good things to happen in Pakistan. They always want Pakistan to live under that pressure and tension, right? So please look into that and don't always keep blaming India. Okay? Polarize है, ठीक है. उनके एक डॉक्टर साहब करके इनके पाकिस्तान के चैनल में बैठते हैं, गेम ऑन है करके PTV में एक उनका शो आता है. वो बोलते रहते हैं कि ये पोलराइज्ड हो रहा है, all that cricket is getting polarized. तो भाई ठीक है, पोलराइज तो होगा ही ना. Look at the level of cricket India, Australia, England and New Zealand are playing versus rest of the world are playing, especially in Test cricket. So obviously, if India is playing Pakistan in Test cricket, maybe I would like to watch it because I am an Indian and maybe I have, there is a arch rivalry between these two countries and we maybe would like to watch it. But a neutral cricket fan may not like to watch it because it's not an even contest. It's like India playing Bangladesh. I mean, I'm not trying to degrade, but polarize hoga, because if the level of cricket goes down, it will get polarized. And I have also heard your media talking that we don't have a structure, a domestic cricket structure and all that. But यार एक बात बताओ, आपका था ही कब domestic structure? When Imran Khan was playing, when Javed Miandad was playing, did you had a proper domestic structure? How India have Ranji Trophy, Dilip Trophy, all this stuff? You never had it. Pakistan always been a cricketing nation, always been a cricketing team full of with match winners, individual talent. That is, Pakistan never played the cricket as a team, as a complete team. They always been able to win matches on the basis of individual brilliance. Okay, you stick to your route. You don't have to follow India. India has a different structure. We have We have our own different structure. If you try to copy us, you will fail. Don't try to do that. Okay? And we have nothing to do with your business. आपके कंट्री में क्या होता है ये that's your propaganda, that's your things to take care. Please don't blame India for everything. Okay, so with that note, I'd like to take a I'd like to close the video here. So the intention for me to make this video is to create that awareness that बस इंडिया का कोई भी हाथ नहीं इसमें. आप अपना देखो क्या हो रहा है आपके कंट्री में, क्यों हो रहा है आपके कंट्री में, एंड डोंट ब्लेम इंडिया फॉर एवरीथिंग. Okay, we want Pakistan cricket to do well. We want Pakistan cricket to succeed. Okay, and yes, we will play in ICC events and we will beat you also, because our Mr. Sabi Akhtar was saying we will show them in World Cup and all that. Okay, let the World Cup come and we'll see. Okay, with that note, I will close the video. Thanks for watching, and yes, do subscribe to my channel Khatti Place for more interesting videos like this. I have one good ride video coming up soon. Okay, I'm going for a bike ride soon, and I'll definitely post that video. Keep watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care. Bye.